Hi guys, today I am doing a tutorial on the best wash and go I have ever had. You guys, this wash and go lasted me almost an entire week, but look at the definition on my hair. So y'all stay tuned and I will show you guys how I achieve this wash and go. To wash my hair, I'm using Suave Tropical Coconut Shampoo, Herbal Essences Halo Hydration Conditioner. For deep conditioner, I'm using Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair, Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel, and then last thing you're gonna need is a water bottle. Well, actually, you're also gonna need a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and also some hair clips. And another product I forgot to list is the Curling Style Milk from Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus. Alright, well, I know y'all know how to wash your hair, so I'm just going to use this time to talk about my hair. So I do have 4C hair, and I've been struggling a long time to find a wash and go that works for me. And a lot of the time, I would just get a whole bunch of flaking. It doesn't matter what I used or how I used it. I could do the LCO method or the LOC method and still I would end up with flaking. So I think I finally found a way to actually achieve the best wash and go ever. So when I wash my hair, after I condition it, I do like to comb through it with the wide tooth comb. So I make sure I just comb through it really well to get all the tangles out. I honestly feel like the most important part in the wash process is to deep condition your hair. I never used to deep condition, and today I just decided to go ahead and see if it would make any difference. And you guys, it was a game changer. I really feel like doing the deep condition process is what helped me be able to maintain this wash and go for such a long time. So I just put the deep conditioner all through my hair, and I put on a shower cap and I proceeded to blow dry. I did this for about 10 minutes. Might have been a little bit less on the bottle or on the product. It does say 10 minutes, so I really didn't time it. I just did it until I felt like it was right. But right here I'm just filling up a water bottle with warm water, and if you have low porosity hair like me, warm water is really good for low porosity hair. So all I'm doing now is just making sure that I shake up this Shea Moisture Curling Style Milk really good. This is the coconut and hibiscus, and it's my favorite. So what I'm doing now is just making sure I get my hair wet again. I just saturate my hair with warm water, and then I'll take some of the Shea Moisture Curling Style Milk, just a little bit, probably about the size of a quarter maybe, and I just rub it through all out my hair. And you want to make sure that you rub it in really good. Make sure you work it in really good, because you don't want to have any white flaking or anything once you get done with your wash and go. Alright, so now I'm just starting on the wash and go. I like to start in the back of my head and work my way up. So all I'm really doing is raking the gel throughout my hair, raking and smoothing, and that's pretty much it. I really don't know how else to explain it. I just kind of smooth my hair out. If I feel like it's a little dry, I try to smooth it out as best as I can, and then I just rake through my hair with my fingers, and I just do this all over my head. Now if I feel like the end of the curl is not curly enough, I'll just kind of coil it around my finger once or twice. So that's what I'm doing right there, just doing a little finger coil. And then I'm just taking the rat tail comb just to kind of pick up my roots, like lift my roots, because I don't want my hair to look like flat. So But now I'm just moved on to the next section, and all I'm doing, as you can see, is just raking raking for days. So this is literally all I do. I take some gel and I rake it through my hair. So I'm sorry since you're saying raking. I mean, I just don't know what else to say, but that's what I'm doing. It's just raking and smoothing and coiling. So rake, smooth, coil. And as you can tell in some of this video footage, some of my ends look like they're not curling, and it's because I do need a trim. So another good thing that makes a good wash and go is if you have a trim. So if you make sure you get your trims regular make sure y'all trimming y'all hair is what I'm trying to say. While you're doing this, you do want to make sure that you are separating your curls as much as possible. It is okay to have some clumps, but not a lot, because it is harder for you to maintain your wash and go when you do have a lot of clumps. Remember to re-wet each section before you start applying your gel. It's important to make sure your hair is wet, because it is a lot easier for you to work the gel in, and also with you wetting your hair, it's going to make sure that it locks in some of that moisture. Alright, and here's a closer look of what my hair looks like about halfway through the process. As you can see, I am getting some good definition here. And this is what my hair looks like after I have done the whole entire thing. And just look at my curls, y'all. A lot of people say 4C hair cannot wash and go, but that is not true. It just takes time and effort, and with these steps you can achieve this wash and go. And believe it or not, this is 5 days later. You guys, as you can see, there is no flaking whatsoever at all. So this is the way I achieve the best wash and go ever for 4C hair. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks. See y'all next time.